Hello students, Cbse observe. Today as requested by one of our subscriber, we are doing a special session on class 10 Cbse surface areas and volumes exercise 1. Okay, let's get started. Here two cubes, each volume 64 cm cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, so here we need two formulas. For one is cuboid, another is cube. Okay, so this kind of questions in mensuration, first thing you just understand what are the keywords given in the question. Okay, half of the question will be dummy. Okay, so here first I will draw a diagram. So here I have a cube, another cube, I have joined both. So it is given that each volume 64 km means for this volume of the cube is equal to what? A cube is given as 64. 64 is nothing but what? 4 cube, right? So A is equal to 4. So I got cube means what? All sides means length, breadth, height all are equal, right? So 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 height. So here we have joined two cubes. Okay, so when we join two cubes, I am getting a cuboid here. Okay, for cuboid, we won't have this A, means one side. We will have L, we have B and H. So from this diagram, I can say that length is 4 plus 4, that is 8. Breadth is 4 and height is again 4. So what is asked here? Find the surface area of the cuboid. Here when surface area, without mentioning Csa or Tsa, always go with Tsa. If the examiner needs the Csa, he will particularly mention we need Csa of this something. So here Tsa is 2 into Lb plus Bh plus Lh. So that is nothing but 2 into Lb 8 into 4 plus Bh, that is 4 into 4 plus Lh, that is 8 into 4. So here 2 into 8 fours 32, 4 4 16, 8 fours again 32. Okay, so if we add all this and multiply with 2, that is 80 into 2, that is what? 160 cm square. This is your answer. Easy. Okay, next one. See, here is the next one. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere. Okay, my keyword is hemisphere. Mounted by a hollow cylinder. Another keyword is cylinder. Diameter of a hemisphere. Whenever the diameter is given, make sure in your mind that we need radius. We already know diameter is equal to 2 radius. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. Okay, this one keep in mind. Whenever the word diameter you see, just keep in mind that we need radius. Okay, and total height of the vessel is given. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. See, in this mensuration chapter, drawing a diagram like a rough sketch will fetch you more marks and also will give a clarity on the question. So here instead of drawing this 3D, we will be drawing only 2D. So here there is a hollow hemisphere. On this again a hollow. Okay, this is a hollow hemisphere. Wait, I'll use another color. So this is a hollow hemisphere. On this a hollow cylinder is placed. Okay, so the diameter of the hemisphere, wait, I'll use another color. So the diameter is given like what is given diameter? 14. So I already told you we need radius, that is half of diameter, that is 7 cm. So here 7. See, whenever remember there is a hemisphere, if the radius is 7, its height will be also 7. This one will be also 7. Means for a hemisphere. So here this is 7. Okay, very nice. And total height from here to here, it is 13. I already know that from this is 7. So out of total 13, I need only this part. So that is 13 minus 7. Okay, that hemisphere if I remove, this is 13 minus 7. So how much 13 minus 7? I get 6. Okay, now I am ready with this question. So what we ask? Inner surface area of the vessel. So surface area here surface area of vessel. That is nothing but, okay, wait. So surface area of vessel, that is nothing but surface area of the hemisphere. Surface area of the hemisphere. So here this is only curve. This hemisphere is opened on the other side. So CSA of a hemisphere plus, again it is given clearly, it is hollow cylinder. So again CSA of a cylinder. Okay, what is CSA of a hemisphere formula? 2 pi r square plus CSA of a cylinder 2 pi r h. Okay, so here 2 into pi into c. Unless and until we have some chance, don't cancel this pi, otherwise the calculation will become clumsy. So 2 pi, here radius it is already given 7. Okay, 7 square plus 2 pi into, again radius of the cylinder same 7, into height, here cylinder height, not total height, cylinder height, that is 6. Okay, here 2 pi is common, so I am taking it. So 7 square 49 plus here again 2 pi is there, 7 into 6 42. So 2 pi common, 49 plus 42. Why I am writing all steps is just to make you understand. Okay, we can write it directly, but in Cbse more elaborate answers will fetch more marks. So 2 pi into, this is what, how much, 90 what, 40 this is 91. So 91 into something is 182. So 182 into, here again we have pi, right? 182 pi. Pi is 22 by 7. So by cancelling 7 with this, okay, by cancelling 7 with this, I'll get 572 cm square. This is my answer. Okay, next one. Here is the next one. Toy is in the form of cone. My keyword is cone. Okay, radius is given, very nice. Mounted on a hemisphere. Again, the second keyword is hemisphere. See, while reading the question, you have to make sure that, okay, I see the word keyword like cone, I see the keyword hemisphere, then your brain should get ready with these formulas. And total height of the cone is given, just like the previous model. I am drawing a diagram. So a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. See, I have a hemisphere, I have a cone mounted on it. Okay, so here it is given that radius of the cone is 3.5. So this is the same radius. Okay, so here radius of this cone is given as 3.5, and total height, total from here up to here, it is 15.5. See, here it is 3.5, so here it will also be 3.5. So height of the cone h is equal to 15.5 minus 3.5. Okay, so 15.5 minus 3.5, here is what, 12. Okay, so find the total, find the TSA of the toy. So first thing, TSA of the toy is nothing but CSA of cone plus CSA of a hemisphere. Okay, so here it is CSA of a cone is nothing but, here first thing, for finding the CSA of a cone, first we need to find this value, what, pi RL. Okay, pi RL plus hemisphere, okay, hemisphere CSA. So CSA of a hemisphere is nothing but, here we can do it directly. Okay, first what, instead of writing this, first what will is L is equal to root or r square plus h square. So here r is 3.5, right? So 3.5 square plus h square, height is what, 12. So 12 square. So that is nothing but root over, how much, this 12 square is 144, 3 point square is 12.25. Okay, so overall I get 156.25. Okay, somewhere it will be like square root, right? So 12.5 cm. Okay, so now here surface of the hemisphere is pi 2 pi r square. So here we have to do it separately, or you can do it directly. First thing is about pi RL, right? So pi into pi is what? 22 by 7 into. Otherwise, okay, it will be cancelled. So 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 into L is 12.5 pi r. So that is nothing but here this one easy, okay, plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. R is what? 3.5 into 3.5. Okay, very nice. See, you can clearly see 22 by 7, 22 by 7, 3.5, 3.5. Okay, so I will take it common. 22 by 7 into 3.5 common. So I will get 12.5 plus 3.5 to 7. So here this is 22 by 7 into 3.5, 35 by 10 into here what? 12.5. So 7 plus this is 19.5. Okay. So here 7 5s. Okay. Now 22 into 5 into 195 by 100. See how much we will get based on the calculation. So here numerator calculation is 21450 by 100. So that is nothing but 214.5 cm square. Okay, over. Next one. See here a cubicle. This is one keyword. Block of side 7 and surmounted on a hemisphere. Okay, 2 keywords I got. Find the greatest diameter we need to have. Okay, very nice. So here diameter of the hemisphere we can have. So here from this a cubical block of side is surmounted by a hemisphere. So this is a cubical block and this is a surmounted by hemisphere, and this cubical block has got side 7. Very nice. So this side also 7, this side 7, this side 7. So the 7 is the dia. I already told you when diameter is given, radius is half of diameter, that is 3.5. Okay. Now we need to find this, the surface area of the solid formed. So surface area of the solid is nothing but Csa of cube, because this side is open. So Csa of a cube plus Csa of a hemisphere plus another side is there, right? Base of the hemisphere. This side is there. Base side of the hemisphere. So I have to remove that. Minus area of the base of the hemisphere. Area of base of hemisphere. So Csa of a hemisphere, this is pi r square. This one is 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Why pi r square? What is the greatest diameter the hemisphere can have? Okay, here we need to find the hemisphere. So greatest diameter, find the surface area. This is second part. Here for the first part of the question, the greatest diameter is 7. I already got this. This part is over. For the surface area of this solid means what? This one cuboid. Another side. This side is not there. This side is not there. Because we just surmounted it. So this is 6a square. 6 into 7 square. A is side. Plus 2 pi. R is 3.5, right? So 3.5 into 3.5 minus pi r square. 2 pi r square minus pi r square, that is nothing but pi r square. We can write it directly here. Okay, pi r square. See, this answer is pi r square. So pi 22 by 7 into r square 3.5, right? So I'll write 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. So this is 7 5s. So this is nothing but 7 square 49. 49 into 6, this is 294 plus here this is 5, this is again with 2, this is with 11. So 35 into 11. So 35 into 11. So here 35 into 11, that is 385. Okay, 385 by 10. So that is nothing but 294 plus 38.5. So that is nothing but 332.5 cm square. Over next one. See here hemispheric depression, hemisphere cut out from one face of cubical, cube. Okay, diameter and edge of the cube. Surface area of the remaining solid. See, this is nothing but there is a hemisphere, there is a cube. In that we have marked, means we have took a small block in the shape of a small depression, hemisphere depression. So here, according to my formula, let this side be L, okay, cube. So side of the cube is L. So what will be the surface area? 6a square, means in the place of a I am writing 6l square, okay. So dia of the hemisphere is the same L. See, I already told you, whenever the dia comes, we need to find the radius, that is half of the diameter, L by 2. So inner surface area, so surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. So 2 into pi into r square, that is L square by 4. So 2 this cancel. So this is nothing but pi L square by 2. Very nice. Now we need to find the area of the circular portion of the hemisphere. Total portion, right? So area of the circular portion of hemisphere. Means that side also gone. So that is nothing but pi r square. So pi into L by 2 whole square. That is pi L square by 4. So we need to find the remaining area. Remaining area is nothing but, first one is surface area of the cube plus surface area of hemisphere minus area of the circular shape. So that is nothing but 6l square plus pi l square by 2 minus pi l square by 4. See, all are written above. Okay, so here by taking LCM and all, we will get, here L square by 4 is common, L square by 4. Otherwise, okay, just for your understanding purpose, I will write each and every step, don't worry. So here this is L square is common in everything, very nice, L square. So 6 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 4. For 2 and 4, the LCM is 4. Okay, I'll write here. So L square into LCM is 4. So 4 into 6, 24 plus 4 divided by 2, 2 into 2, into pi. So 2 pi plus pi. Okay. So L square into 24 plus 3 pi by 4, 3, okay, by 4. So 24 plus 3 pi by 4. See, okay, here it is minus, right? Minus. So here this is a minus. So here this is a 2 pi, 24 plus pi by 4. This is the answer for remaining surface area, cm square. Next one. This is very easy. A medicine capsule in the shape of a cylinder is my keyword. 2 hemispheres stuck on the edge. See, this is the capsule shape. Okay, see, I will use another color. A cylinder on that 2 hemispheres. Okay. So what is given? The length of the entire capsule is 14. Okay. So entire from here up to here, that is 14 mm. Okay, mm. And dia of the capsule, when I already told you, whenever the word dia comes, you have to find radius is equal to 5 by 2. That is nothing but 2.5. So see. So this is 2.5. So this will also be 2.5. Again for here, this side also 2.5. This side also 2.5. So out of total 14, I have to remove 2.5, another 2.5. So that is nothing but 14 minus what? 2.5 is 5, right? So I will get a 9 here. So the length of the cylinder part is 9. Very nice. Next. So from this, I can say that total surface area of capsule is nothing but Csa of a cylinder plus, and 2 surface areas. 2 is 2 times Csa of a hemisphere. So this is what 2 pi rh plus 2 into Cs of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi rh plus 4 pi r square. See, 2 pi, this one, radius up to here is common. So what I will do is so what I will do is 2 common, pi common, r common. So here it is h plus 2r. Okay. So here this is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is how much? This is 2.5 into height, total height of this cylinder part, right? So 9 plus 2r, 2 into 2.5, 2 into 2.5, very nice. So here this is 2 into 22 by 7 into, see, I will make it easy. 2 into 2.5, 5 into 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 2 what? 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. So here 7 2s. So here it is 22 into 2, 44. So 44 into 5. That is nothing but 220 mm square over. Next one. See next one, tent is in the shape of cylinder. Cylinder is my keyword. Surmounted by a cone. This is another keyword. If the tent is in the shape of a cylindrical tent. See, cylindrical tent. On that I have surmounted by a cone. This is the cone. Very nice. If the height and dia of the cylindrical part, first cylindrical part, right? So for the cylindrical part, height is given as 2.1 and dia is given. Whenever the dia is given, what I will take? I will take only radius from this. So that is 2. So dia is given as 4. So I will take radius as 2. Very nice. So here for this also it will be 2. Same. And slant height of the top. So see, very good boy. This is here slant height is given. Instead of doing L is equal to root or r square plus h square, it is given directly. Very good. Now find the area of the canvas used. Also find the cost of the canvas tent. For tent there won't be any flooring, right? So here first thing what I need to do is two things. Total surface area means total area of the canvas. That is nothing but Csa of a cone. Csa of a cone plus for this Csa of a cylinder. So Csa of a cone is what? Pi RL plus Csa of a cylinder 2 pi RH. Very good. So here pi is common, radius is common. So pi r I will take common, L plus 2h. So pi is what? 22 by 7 into radius is what given? 2 into L slant height, it is given as 2.8 plus 2 into height is 2.1, right? So 2.1 double 4.2. So 4.2 plus 2.8. Next step, 22 by 7 into 2 into this is what? 2.8 into 4, this one is 7. So this 7 and wait, instead of cancelling it with this color, so this 7 and this 7 both gets cancelled. So 22 into 2 is 44 m square. Okay, very good. So here this is not the final answer. Find the area. Okay, we have done. Cost of the canvas at 500 per meter square. For 1 meter square, it is 500. For 44 meter square, it is 44 into 500. So what 44 into 500 is? 44 5s are 220 and another 2 zeros. These are rupees. Okay, next one. See here, next one. From solid cylinder, this is my keyword, whose height is given and dia is given. See, whenever you see the diameter, make sure that it is radius, half of dia, and conical cavity of the same height and same diameter, it is hollowed out. Very good. So see, this is a cylinder. This is a solid cylinder. In this, a conical cavity of same height conical cavity, I have removed this. Wait, I will use another color. So this part I have removed, this part. So find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So just like before, so radius is dial half, means 1.4 by 2, that is 0.7 cm. Now height of the cylinder and height of the cone both are given as what? 2.4 only. Next, radius of the cone, that is given as 0.7. Now remaining So TSA of a remaining cone, remaining solid, that is nothing but outer surface area of the cylinder. Outer surface area means CSA of a cylinder plus area of the bottom of the cylinder, area of cylinder bottom plus CSA of a cone. So that is nothing but 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus this one is circle shape, right? So that is why pi r square plus this is again pi r l. So see, in this all pi r is common, so 2h plus r plus l. So 22 by 7 into radius is what, 0.7 into 2 into h. Height is what, 2.4. So 2.4 double, 2 into 2.4 is, anyway I will write 2 into 2.4 plus 0.7 plus L is equal to, we already know L value, L is equal to root over r square plus h square. So root over r square 0.7 square plus h square 2.4 square. So this is nothing but 49 plus 576 24 by this is 10, right? So 100 10 square 100. So this is nothing but in the square root value I will get 2.5 because 625, right? Okay, very nice, 625. So this one I got 2.5. So this one, wait, instead of same color I will mark it. So this one and this one gets cancelled by 0.1 times. So 22 into 0.1 into this one 4.8 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. So that is nothing but 22 into 0.1 into 4.8 7 2.5. So nothing but 8. So 17.6 cm square. But since it is asked to round it, so 18 cm square. Over. Next one. See, here is the wooden article. Scooping out hemisphere is my keyword. In a solid cylinder, that is also another keyword. Height of the cylinder is given and base radius, good boy, radius is given. So see, this is a cylinder. In this one scoop, another hemisphere, another scoop. Okay, another color. This is one scoop and this is another scoop. Now that is of radius 3.5 and total height it will be 10 cm. So height of the cylinder, radius and everything is given. We will do it directly. Okay, so here find the TSA of a cylinder. So TSA of an article is nothing but CSA of the cylinder plus this is CSA of hemisphere. So this is nothing but 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So in this 2 pi is 2 pi common and radius is also same, r is also common, 2 pi r into h plus r. Very good. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 1 radius is 3.5. So 3.5 I'll write 35 by 10. Okay, just for our comfort. 3.5 I can write like 35 by 10. This one. So 35 by 10 into height 10 plus radius 3.5. Very good. So 7 5s are this one. 5 2s are another color. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So here I'll get only 22. So 22 into 10 plus 3 13.5. Okay, next. Okay, here one thing we forgot to mention here is this is 2 scoops, right? Here we took only 1 scoop. So 2 scoops. So that is nothing but here 2 pi RH. If we take 2 pi RH common, here it will be H and here it will be 2 pi R common is 2R. So this is nothing but 2 into this one, everything is fine. Here 3.5 into 2. So that is 7. So here I will get 17. So this is nothing but 374 cm square. Okay. So in this way we have finished this exercise 1 of surface areas and volumes of Cbse class 10. Okay, so if you need any other exercise, please ask in the comments. So if you need any other subject also, we are ready to help you. Our series will be going for this IIT JEE, and if you need any help, please write in the comments. Thank you.